Hi friends, this is the rate I old monk and today we are with the Infinix S4. We are going to do the unboxing of the device, but before that we will check out what is written on the back. 32 megapixel front camera is the highlight feature. It comes with a 6.21 inch SD plus display, triple rear AI camera. This is a made in India boxing and the box price written is 9,999. So this is approximately 10,000 is the box pricing. And coming to the device, this is the Nebula blue color. There will be other two colors including the twilight purple and the space gray. So these are the three colors which will be coming for the device. It is a dual SIM smartphone. I will show you the case also at the same time. Now we will see what are the box content of an Infinix S4. Now talking about the box content, here you can see it is already written. There is a 32 megapixel rear camera, 6.2 inch display, 4000 milliampere battery. It comes with a dual SIM support and also expandable memory. And the device power button is also shown here, and the volume rocker keys. We will talk about this later. Let the device get booted. In the meanwhile, we will also check out the content here. You are getting a micro USB charging cable. This comes with the 4000 milliampere battery. This is the charging adapter. You can pause the video and check the rating of the adapter here. I haven't tried and tested that it does the fast charging or not, but we will tell this about in the review. We also got some paperwork including the safety guide, the user manual, and finally we are getting a silicone back cover, and there is also a screen guard coming in the box, so which is a good thing. Now talking about the face unlock, here is the face unlock feature, and it takes less than a minute to register your face, and it will, once it is enrolled, you can use it to unlock the device. Now talking about the face unlock, the device also comes with the fingerprint sensor at the back, and here you can see the fingerprint sensor doesn't take a very long time to get it enrolled. Now talking about the fingerprint sensor, you can definitely enroll multiple fingerprint sensor. Here you can see the XOS has been booted. It comes with the XOS 5.0 and it is based on Android 9.0 Pie. So once the launcher is done set up, this is the first look it has. We have set the wallpaper according to our need. It comes with a 6.21 inch SD plus display. It has a 2.5D curved glass. On the side you are getting a volume rocker key and the power button. At the back you are getting a triple rear camera setup with LED flash, which includes 13 plus 5 plus 2 megapixel camera, and the fingerprint sensor is also at the back. It comes with the glass unibody. And talking about the camera, there the 5 megapixel is the ultra wide and 2 megapixel is the depth sensor camera. Now coming to the side, we are getting the slot. In this slot we are getting a 2 nano SIM card slot and 1 micro SD card slot. So it supports the 4G VoLTE on both the SIM slot. Here you can see the device comes with the octa-core Helio P20 processor. And talking about the bottom side, if we go here, you can check it out. There is a 3.5mm jack. There is a micro USB charging slot, there is a noise cancellation mic, and there is also the speaker. We haven't tried and tested the speaker or the audio quality yet, but we will tell about it later. It comes with a drop notch and the fingerprint works very smoothly here. Now talking about the unlocking feature, here you can see I am doing the face unlock feature. It takes very less time to unlock the device, and at the same time we haven't tried and tested in the low light or the dark scenarios. Now talking about the device, it is running on XOS 5.0, which we have already seen in the Infinix Smart 3 Plus. And right now we will go to the settings and also check the hardware settings in the device. What we are getting in the hardware specification, the display comes with the 6.21 inch SD plus display. It has a drop notch. Talking about the processor, it comes with the octa-core processor MediaTek Helio P22. It has a RAM of 3GB and memory of 32GB. It comes with the camera of 13 plus 5 plus 2 megapixel. The front camera is the highlight feature, which is a 32 megapixel camera. It is running on Android 9.0 with XOS 5.0. And talking about the battery, it comes with the 4000 milliampere battery. So this is what we are getting in the hardware aspect of the device. Now talking about the software, the device comes with the AI camera on front and the back. It also has the AI camera in the battery, which I will show you in a while. Now talking about the AI camera, what it will impact, it will actually take in the scenarios, and in that it will change the color or light settings according to the situation. Now going to the battery, here you can see AI smart power saving is given. You can also put on the battery percentage. In AI power saving, it can also switch off your active start time and end time. You can put it on or off according to your need. Now going to the professional setting, it will be more of the battery consumption, how you want to use the battery for the device. Now talking about the display, here you can definitely change the display notch, and there is a hide the notch. In the hide the notch you will get a black display on the top, where you will get the timer notification and also the status of the battery, Wi-Fi or the Bluetooth, whatever it is connected. You can definitely currently switch it back on, because I like the drop notch and I will put it on. So this is what we are getting in the display section. Now we will jump into the camera. The device comes with a 32 megapixel front camera with the AI. At the back we are getting a 13 plus 5 megapixel plus 2 megapixel triple rear camera setup, all with the AI camera. Here you are getting a flash setting. You can definitely put on the switch on the SDR mode on or off. So there is also a wide angle camera which is a 5 megapixel. Here I will show you. This is how the wide angle will take place, and we will give you a complete detail of the photos in the device later on, once we have done the review of it. And this is what we are getting in the normal settings. Going to the settings, there is a shutter sound off, grid mode. You can switch on the watermark. Talking about the picture size, just let me go and show you the picture size, what we can take maximum up to. It is a 13 megapixel for rear camera is the maximum, and this is the currently, if you want to use the volume button for shutter or for zoom, you can choose it and switch it on. So now coming to the video settings, in the video you can shoot full HD video, you can also shoot HD video and 480p video. These are the video settings what you are getting. Talking about the front camera, you can shoot full HD, 720p and 480p. These are the three camera settings, video settings what you can shoot. Now it comes with the AI camera in the front and the back as the default mode. You are also getting the AR stickers. There is also beauty mode coming in the device. In the beauty mode you are getting an AI mode, or you can increase the beautification filter according to your need from 1 to 9. So this is what you are getting in the camera. In the front, if you switch it on, you are getting the same modes. It has the AI camera, beauty camera, portrait and the AR shot. So AR shot have some stickers preloaded in the device. Now going to the beauty mode, you have the AI or the beautification filters which you can put it on the device. So this is what we are getting in the camera. Now coming to the software feature once more, you are getting a smart assistant here, and this assistant will let you know, give you some of the news on the story cards, and also tell you how to do the payment of the electricity or booking those. These are the inbuilt feature of XOS. Here you also get a cleaner which will clean your RAM and boost it. Now talking about the face unlock, here you can see you get some of the settings which you can change. It can unlock the screen. It can also fill some light while it is facing your face, and it also comes with the app drawer if you swipe up, which is a good thing. So this is all we are getting with the Infinix S4. This is @IOldMonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.